Hello, Internet. It's the news again with Hadra Asif Khan, a show where the news is always terrible. The Guardian has just announced their official exit from the social media platform X, citing increasing intolerance, hate speech, and lack of moderation on the platform. I really feel for left-leaning publications who have spent blood, sweat, and tears on championing the right to free speech. Also, that the right could hijack the narrative and actually implement it better than the left ever could. Meanwhile, the Prime Minister of Pakistan refuses to get off the platform. There are orders with your government's authorization that essentially banned the site in the country. And here you are congratulating every new head of state, right, left, and center. But this could be because he's still reeling from the fact that he is the actual Prime Minister.
मेरी selection हो गई है.
And all of this in the same week as this groundbreaking revelation from Pakistan's Council of Islamic Ideology. After rigorous criticism from the public and outcry from the tech sector regarding losses that the country would incur, and an additional 4 days of deliberation upon the actual meaning of the fatwa, the Council on Islamic Ideology has released another statement, now saying the whole issue was caused by, wait for it, a typo. So apparently, and I swear I'm not making this up, the word not was missing from the text of the statement, which caused all this uproar in the first place. So putting it into context, this is what the headlines should have been. The Council on Islamic Ideology issues fatwa declaring VPN un-Islamic. But because all of this is happening in the Sharif administration, it is extremely understandable. The clan has had a long history of being bested by Microsoft Word. So for now, VPNs have the Islamic seal of approval. I think we'll keep you posted on this one. In other news, Islamabad is gearing up for closure yet again because we haven't learned to protest with grace or to tolerate dissent. In preparation, paramilitary forces have been granted special powers. Top on the list of special powers granted to the Rangers NFC is operating above the already weakened laws of civilian protection and legitimate use of force. Also in preparation, Rawalpindi will be sealed from 50 points. What a beautiful evolution of nationhood. Started from 14 points and now we here. The Qaid must be so very proud. Alright guys, that's about as much news as I could handle for the week. If you're also failing to understand what the hal is going on, tune in next week to see what's making the news again.